So before anything else, so again, I am working for from all the way from Agna. So I am a professional. I mean, I'm a teacher by professional. Then aside from teaching, I also work as a freelancer. So I work sometimes I work as a stage designer, sometimes I work as a event organizer. But most of my time I spend working as costume designer. So di mo yung nadugay na pero at least na ko yung mga na prove na giana sa mga competition. So mabinay mo sa lugar asa sa day.
Anislag. Anislag.
Costumes nga akong nagama under sa municipality of Valencia. So first one si Antoinette, then second one si Ingrid with this game. So wala ko ang costume na mahal. So at first nung Antoinette, this is my first time na nag-handle of Valencia. So I have no idea about the culture of Valencia and the history of Valencia. Then the after Antoinette na ilang designer na handle sa Valencia, I think from Indolman, if I'm not mistaken. So nibalik po ko ni Ingrid. It was last year, which is the Bulinaw, and then this is the battery Antoinette. So my topic here is I'm focused more on from passion to profession. Passion means imong gusto. Gikan sa imong gusto na imong profession. Okay? So I am not here as someone who has achieved everything in life. Wa ko man kay na-achieve ng tanan. So I'm here as someone who continues to dream, continues to fail, continues to learn, and continues to believe. I'm not here as someone nga na-achieve ng tanan, but I'm here as someone nga continuous nga nandoy gyapon ta, even though na kayo na-achieve, still he continues to fail, continues to learn, because we know that learning is a continuous process. Then continues to believe in the beauty of your dreams. So if di ka mo tuo sa imong pangandoy, useless na tanan. Kinahanglan mo tuo because imong galingon first. So before I made my presentation, I had my self-reflection. So self-reflection, I mean, I try to examine all my journey, then I come up with 8 strategies from as ako nagsugod until now. So first and foremost, we have this discover your passion. That's my first strategy. Di ba? Kabulat na nga sa pag-anak na to, like empty ta. What ako ba? Sa may build up na to, ang environment, ang tao sa kapalitan. What ako doon sa atong life in the future. So, first and foremost, we need to discover first our passion. Hindi na itong importante. Know your passion. So, ask yourself how to discover your passion. You need to ask yourself. Ask yourself with this question. What do I enjoy doing? Kasi mo ganahan nga buhaton. Okay? What am I good at? Asa ko nga part nga mo excel. Asa ko mas anat. Anha. Then, what excites me? Kung sa'y maka-excite na ako, makakalipay na ako. And then, what can I do for hours without getting tired? Diba? Kami na yung mga na kayo sa kabutang, na bisang ikapoy na ka, happy gihapon ka. Na ayo sa kabutang nga, para nilagaan ra, pero para nimo kapoy, bugat. So, meaning dili na nimo hang field nimo. Then lastly, what kind of work gives meaning of my life? Sa imong purpose sa imong kinabuhi, usa nga trabaho na makahatag ka sa imong service, na makaingon ka nga na kay purpose. So these questions help you to discover your passion. Okay? For example, there are a lot of people asking me, Sir, kanang yun sa manimo pagsugod ang tanan. Kani? Simple question. Sir, nganong na designer man ka? Ang tubag is balik kay kundangi. This meaning, ang question is simple ra. That is my passion. Passion meaning, mao na akong hilig, mao na akong gusto buhaton. So if you're planning to establish your own business, di pwede nga manundog ka sa lain. Di pwede nga, unsay sikat karon mo sa imong sudugon. Kinahanglan nga, ang business nito ko din is imong passion. Asa ka malipayon, asa ka hilig. Kaya dili ka malipayon sa imong business, imong trabaho. So man, what will be the outcome? Well, dili ka productive every day. Okay? So that is my first strategy. Discover your passion. Okay? So your passion today will become your profession tomorrow. If you love teaching, so say bato nimo. So you need to what? You need to study or you need to go for education or if you love teaching then you need to volunteer for yung teaching field. Like for example, gusto ka nga for example, being a teacher like joining specific na mga religious events or mga events under sa munisipyo, makatabang na siya to enhance your skills. Okay? So again, your passion today will become your profession tomorrow. This is proven sa akong part. Okay? Akong passion sana is drawing, makita ako libro, dyan ay mga colorful, lain na magubot ng utok. Yan na, ana. Di ba na yung uban nga, kita naman sa drawing, kung may idea, sa nila, kung sabot. Kung na yung ibang tao, once makita lang sila sa masterpiece, ang utok nila, magubot ka. So we have different field mata, we have different interests. Maybe ganahan ka na, maybe ganahan si Ani, maybe ganahan ko siya ni, or ikaw di ka ganahan sa iyang interest. So, first thing to do is discover your passion. Okay ba natin? Asak ka, malipayo, kung sa iyong ganahan. Do not try to mapiktuhan dito pa sa mga palibot nimo. Kailangan within yourself lang ako discover sa passion.